So I'm Gareth Clements, Operations Director for Ardent Hire. We have 10 depots covering the whole of the UK. We're specialists in house building and groundworking. We do play in other sectors like in industrial energy, but we have a fleet of around 3,000 telehandlers and around 1,000 excavators, topped up by some dumpers, some rollers, some access equipment and some roto telehandlers. And we're self-drive and operated. In the plant hire world, we all have the same machines. We buy them from the same people. Some of us might have a little bit more spec than others, but largely they're the same machine. Our people are our USP. We couldn't do what we do without our people, and at every depot, to the hire centre, to the accounts department, to the IT department, to the sales department, we have a passion for finding a solution for our customer, no matter what it is. Can't, no and won't are something other businesses say. You won't find that in Ardent Hire. So I think the thing we like the most about Inspire is how adaptable it is. You can tailor it very easily to how you want your business to run, especially with the use of the profile fields. And in fact, something we try very hard to do is not get carried away, to try and keep it simple, because you can sort of overcomplicate things. And the more you can keep it simple, the better it normally is. But in every function of Inspire, you can tailor it to what you need, which has been really useful to us. I think the relationship with Inspire is something I've been involved in right from the early onset of Ardent Hire, when we adopted the Inspire system throughout the whole of the business, because Ardent Hire is born from one call and fork rent, and only one of those businesses used Inspire. So we decided to go ahead with Inspire Corporate, and we rolled it out across the whole of the business. And the Inspire team were excellent in helping us along with that. If there's ever any issues, they're just a phone call away, and are able to sort of tailor themselves to our needs. It interfaces really well into, we have a system called Site Manager, which basically helps our customers to reduce their costs on site, helps them improve productivity, and ultimately give them a safer hire. And a lot of the data feeds come out of Inspire, so I think we use an API, and it interfaces really well with that. And it's a large part of that system, so we probably wouldn't be able to do it without that. Inspire is great. So from the product to the team, we've got an excellent working relationship with them. The people, if you ever have a problem, you can ring most of them up at any point, and they get back to you reasonably quickly. There's always developments going on in the background that get issued, and you get live updates of those. And the product itself, no matter what part of the business you operate in, it links into that department. And as I said before, it can be configured to however you really want it. I mean, you're best to try and keep it the way Inspire tell you to have it, but if you need to do something different, or if a customer needs you to do something different, there's always a way with Inspire. Our desire at Ardent Hire has always been to create the UK's premier plant hire company, and we couldn't have achieved that without the suppliers such as Inspire to help us create what we've created now. So thank you to Inspire.